If so, then give me chimaeras.
Okay, here you go. These are chimaeras. They just have an extra A in the name. Chimaeras are a class of fish that live deep underwater. They're related to rays and sharks, and they're perfect to learn about for Spoopy Month because they're also called spookfish and ghost sharks. Like rays, they have a long whip-like tail. That snake-like tail might be part of why they're called chimaeras, like the snake tail on the Greek chimera.
They're weird looking. They have these strange snouts and sensory systems.
That's Dr. Dominique Didier. She studied ghost sharks for just over 3 decades, and she helped discover a new species of ghost shark this year in New Zealand and Australia.
We're coming to the conclusion that what we thought was this one global species, Hariota raleana, is probably not.
Hariota avia, or the Australian narrow-nosed spookfish, used to be considered as the same thing as Hariota raleana. Then this year, a paper that Dr. Didier helped work on discovered that some of the populations near New Zealand and Australia are actually their own unique species. H. avia and H. raleana do look very similar overall, but the skin color is distinct, as is some of the morphology. That is, the shape and structure of the body and its parts.
Genetic analysis also played a role in identifying the new species.
Now we have a lot more evidence, partly because we can do molecular studies to say this is probably something new.
This figure from the study maps some of the genetic mutations between individual specimens, and you can clearly see that the Hariota avia specimens are very different from the rest of the Hariota specimens collected. Given the morphological and genetic data, the team was able to confidently declare the new species. Before I let you go, I need to ask one more question. What's your favorite thing about these weird little guys, about ghost sharks?
Oh my gosh, there's so much to love about them. I just think they're like cool to look at. They're ancient. So looking at their anatomy can give us clues to the evolution of vertebrates. Even now, after working with them for these decades, there's still like tons of stuff to be done. So that's what I guess. So that's why I like them. I get excited about, all this neat stuff.
Is there anything else you want to share for the end of the video?
Coming up on October 30th is National Ghost Shark Day. So break out your ghost shark juju and have a great day.
Thank you so much to Dr. Didier for helping out. Check out the link in my bio for references and follow for more cool science.